Here's how I used Photoshop to enhance a 100-year-old photo. This is a picture of a dock. There's a bunch of boats here in front of it. This picture was taken by my great-great-grandfather. So what I wanted to do here was just open it up in Photoshop, and I wanted to replace the sky and then also have that sky reflected in the water down here. And there's a really easy way to do it. All you gotta do is come over here, select this photo, and import the picture that you want. And I'm going to be selecting this sky photo here. Now on your layers panel on the right, you can see I have the sky in the foreground here. I'm gonna move it to the background. Now I'm gonna select my black and white photo, come up here and change the blend mode from normal to multiply. And all that did was just delete the white parts of the photo and keep the dark parts. So that's why this works so well with black and white photos. Now, in order to have the sky reflected in the water, I'm just going to select my sky photo here, click on these three little dots, hit copy layer, hit the three little dots again, hit paste. Now I'm going to come over here to the transform tool, and I can flip it vertically like that. Then just move this down here. About there looks good, hit done. Now the bottom photo is sticking up out of the top. That's what this big line here is. So I'm just gonna use a selection tool to select the top part of this image. And now you can just hit erase. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Super easy way to replace the sky in black and white photos. And now all I have to do is hit the export button. And here's the before, and here's after. If you guys enjoyed this video, then go check out some more of my videos right here, and I'll see y'all next time.